Yes, my friends, that's it. And finally, we're going to have the long-awaited replacement of the Audi A3 steering wheel, from the 2016 model onwards, right, to the newer 2017 model onwards. So, here's the video. I'll answer your questions, show you the steering wheels, talk about the differences, and tell you what you need to be aware of when buying so you can make a confident purchase and avoid making a bad deal. So, I'll explain it to you here. Well, we have two steering wheels here. I'll show you one of them first, which is this one. This one, as you can see, is the original Audi A3 steering wheel, which comes with the 2016 models, 2016, 2015, 2014, right? This one is the model, in this case, that already comes with the shift pedals here, and already comes with the steering wheel control buttons, okay? Look, the steering wheel control buttons are already here. So, what do you need to worry about? Well, what you need to see, right, and understand is that this central part here where the airbag goes on this 2016 model, the newer model, is smaller, okay? Which is what everyone likes. Besides having a straight base, the airbag part is also smaller, okay? So what happens? There's no point buying this steering wheel here, which is the newer one, without the airbag, because you can't remove the airbag from this older model and fit the airbag here, both the cover itself and the airbag itself that's inside, okay? So, explaining this to you, so you understand, if you're going to buy this steering wheel, you have to buy it with a complete airbag, okay, guys? That's the first tip. Second tip, it's plug and play, right? It's not 100% plug and play, okay? Well, so much so that if you buy it from China, you'll notice it's not plug and play. Or if you buy an original one, it's not plug and play either because there are differences, right? As you can see here, there are some keys, and here there are more keys, okay? So here we have, look, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up and down we have 2 more, right? So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on this side here we have 7 keys. In the case of this one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 2 fewer keys, right? So that's why we have to make an adaptation there so that it works 100% original and maintains all the functions here, okay? So that it maintains 100% of the original functions in this one, the onboard computer, volume, everything correct. I explained this in our coding course, which in addition to coding, we also teach the installation of accessories. So here we will now have the steering wheel that we will add, but it already has a parking switch. There is also the option for door lights, among many other accessories we already have there, okay? So let's continue from here. Well, I'll show you the airbags, okay? So here, look, and this one is the smaller cover, okay? So I don't think I even need to explain much, right? You can see the difference. This one is the bigger one and this one is the smaller one. This one is for the 2016, this one is for the 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so, very simple. And here on the back, as you can see, look, it has the airbag inside the cover, okay? One of the cool things is that when I bought this steering wheel here, it was actually a follower of the channel who sold it to me, and he's disassembling his Audi A3. I'm really grateful for selling it at a good price and also for insisting on selling it here for us so I can assemble it in my project. Yeah, what's really cool is that it came with 2 steering wheel covers, right? So, I'll take it here. Look, we have 2 options. I want you to tell me which steering wheel cover you want me to install, okay? I'll use this one, the original factory one, which comes with everything in silver and looks like imitation leather, but it is rubber. Or this one, which is all leather, okay? It's leather with the emblem and everything in Nice black. So tell me, number 1 or number 2, which one would you install in your car, okay? I want to hear from you. And here's the inside, see, where the airbag is. And here's the inside where the airbag is, okay? So that's why when you buy the steering wheel, you have to buy one that already comes with the airbag, because this airbag here that comes with the 2016 is much bigger than this one. So it won't fit, you can't take it out of one and put it in the other. So that's why you have to buy the steering wheel with the airbag already, okay? There's no point in just this cover coming with nothing inside. It has to come with the airbag inside, otherwise it won't work. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you here, so you can get an idea. Obviously, many of you already have the 2016 steering wheel, but I'll show you it assembled, right? It's assembled like this, as you already know. And the new one, right, that I'm going to assemble now, which is from 2017 onwards, is this one that I'm going to put in my project, okay? So, it's this style here, look, very cool. It's going to look really good, okay? I bought it from Gabriel, a really good guy. Now, his actress recently went on sale there, and it came out of a cool project and will be included in my project, which is also very cool. And I'm going to finish recording the video here, right? So much of the wiring part has to be changed so we can switch, right, from one to the other. This one here is original wiring. So we use original wiring here to do it. If you want to learn how to swap from one to the other, we also have accessories installation and everything else within the coding course. And this one is an original cable, right? And we explain everything clearly, right? What each wire is for, how it works, what you need to be careful with, so it can't go wrong. So, we explain everything to you step by step. This is the video. This one is the new steering wheel that goes in my Audi A3, which I found prettier and which I think will look even better on my Audi A3. I've wanted it for a long time, but unfortunately, it's very hard to find, right? It's very rare to find someone selling this steering wheel with the airbag cover, right? In this case, this one came without it, so I can transfer it from one to the other, right? So, I think it will look really cool. I'll post the video here for you after the results too, right? So I think I'll even record the results for you in this video and leave them here at the end, okay? I hope you like it. If you have an Audi A3 and want to build a nice steering wheel like this, flat-bottomed, beautiful, leather, and of course, in this style, on your older model, know that it's very possible to install. In fact, this steering wheel here will be integrated with my digital dashboard, which also didn't come from the factory and which I managed to install as well. Got it? So comment below, huh, guys. Oh, what was missing? The little joy kit, a flat-bottomed steering wheel on the 2016 A3 and the 2016 A3 that didn't come with the digital dashboard. With the digital dashboard and the functional buttons directly on the digital dashboard, look. Look there. And then I give it an RS3 or TTRS, and the dashboard functions here are all functional too. Look there, the buttons light up white, and 100% of the buttons function with the digital dashboard too. It turned out really, really good. Oh. It turned out really well. I really liked it. And the butterflies too, everything works. Yeah,